Let's go.
Hey, mine stayed up top.
Oh, yay. Look at them floating.
Hey, here they
The
go.
boats are going down the river. I can't
Mine's
keep up.
winning.
Hey, Leah!
I can't keep up.
Mine's winning.
No, mine's catching up. Look at it.
No.
There it goes.
Oh, one of them died.
Oh, I'm gonna get you. That's mine. It's coming to get Lizzie.
It's dying. They're
No,
dying.
it's coming to get her. No!
Somebody's still up.
No!
It's dying. Oh,
No,
no.
it's still going.
Okay, we can still see it. It's still good. Dang,
Hey,
look
not
at Leah's. It's like floating along.
Not cool, man.
It's happy. But yours are faster, but it's going to last longer. Ah, it died. No, there it is.
No, those things float really well.
Where is it? Oh, there's Lizzie.
Where is Lizzie?
Right there.
Where?
Oh, you can see the edges.
Stop videotaping.
You're pretty.
You see mine? Mine's beautiful.
Did yours finally die? Who's the winner? Where is it? You're crazy. It's just like 1 inch deep. How so? What do I get in return?
I'm starting to step back.
What do I get out in return? What if I drop my iPad in the water? Wait, this is hard.
Is it still going?
It died, I see it. No, I don't. That's just a
Mine's
little.
right there. It's like covered in mud.
It's dead.